how to download Black Myth Wukong on your PC. So first thing first, we need to open our browser. I'm using Chrome, and from here you need to type Steam. All right, let's type Steam, and you need to install Steam, or you can say download Steam on your computer. So go to the first result, and from here you will find this option, install Steam. Just tap here and tap here, wait for some time, and it will be downloaded on your computer. Then once you have downloaded Steam, install it on your device, and then you will find this Steam logo. All right, so you need to create an account, obviously. So if you are logging in for the first time, then you need to create a Steam account. So I have already created an account, so I don't have to create one. So after you after you create an account on your Steam and open your Steam, it will look like this. All right, so as you can see, this is the Steam interface. So as you can see, here is a store, library, community. So first, this is library, this is store. So what you have to do is, from the search, type Black Myth Wukong. There you go, there's a game. Just tap here, wait for some time. Now from here, all you have to do is add to cart. So this is the normal one, this is the deluxe one. You buy it according to your budget. So add to cart, view my cart, continue to payment, and from here you need to fill out your payment information, and after that continue, and at the end you will able to purchase the game. All right, so after doing this process, go to your library from the top, from the library section, and here you will find your game somewhere. I have not buy the game, so that's the reason I don't have the game. So if you buy the game, then you will find the game somewhere here, and then you will find an install button just like this. Tap this button, and then you will be able to play the game after installing the game, obviously. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.